Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about the very simple unit conversion, that is how to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second, right? And after that we will see that how to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour. Okay, first of all we will see the scenario, okay, how both are linked together, and after that we will see that how could you make one Excel sheet so that you will have not to calculate again and again in a calculator. What you will do, simply you will put here your kilometer per hour value. Let's suppose here I am writing 30, okay, and when I'll enter, so my output value will be 8.3 meter per second. Okay, it will convert automatically because here I have already prepared one calculation sheet, right? So first of all, let's see that what is the relation between kilometer per hour and meter per second. Okay, right? So first of all, as we know that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, that we know, right? And we also know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes and 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. It means that 1 hour will be equal to 60 into 60 means 3600 second, right? Okay, now 1 kilometer per hour, so just put 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, right, divided by 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. Okay, 101, so it is 18.5, right? So 5 by 18 meter per second. So this is the formula. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meter per second, right? Same you could do with 1 meter per second. So what will be the kilometer per hour? Okay, means see, simply cross multiply here. So 18 by 5 kilometer per hour will be equal to meter per second, right? So this is the another simple formula. Okay, these are the two formula. Okay, so now we know the relation between the kilometer per hour and meter per second, right? So now let's make the Excel sheet. So now see, in the Excel, I have already prepared the Excel sheet or Excel formula sheet which will convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. Okay, so see here, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 second. So simply divide 1000 divided by 3600, so you will find here meter per second. Okay, the same, see what we found here, we found here this one. Okay, so when you will divide, so this will be the answer, right? Now in input value you want that I put, whenever I put the kilometer per hour, so I should get the meter per second value, right? Okay, so this is your input value, red one. Now in the output value, what I have done, I have multiplied this kilometer per hour into this conversion. Okay, so when I will multiply kilometer per hour with your 0.277, so I will find the value in meter per second. Okay, same as we have seen in the sheet. Okay, so simply what I have done here, if you will double click here, so you will find that C7, that is this one input value, into C5 conversion. Okay, that is 0.2777. got it my point? Okay, that's fine. So simply what I have put here 30, and let's suppose if I put here 40, so 11.1 meter per second will be the value, right? Okay, same will be happen with the meter per second to kilometer per hour. So same as we have seen in our formula, 18 divided by 5, so it was 3.6. So same conversion we are getting when we divide both the values, right? Same what we have done here, we have multiply input value with the conversion. Okay, 3.6. So what we are getting the value here, right? This black one is your output and this red one is your input which you have to put. So same if I put here 11.1, so you will find here the 40 km/h. So you could simply check it out that both calculations are right or good. Okay, so what is the benefit to prepare the Excel sheet or the calculation sheet of your own? The benefit is that you don't need to calculate again and again, okay, by the calculator. Simply what you will have to do, you have to simply put the input value and you will find out the output value, right? Because you have already prepared or you have already feed the values here. Okay, so Excel will do the calculation for you. So in that case, Excel will do the calculation for you. I hope you are getting my point, what I want to say. So that's all for the today's video. So please prepare this Excel sheet by your own. Okay, if you get any trouble, so please let me know so that I will also upload this Excel sheet into my Telegram channel. Okay, so that's all for the today's video. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning. Thank you.